Welcome to this lesson on mitochondria, one of the most important organelles in living cells. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouse of the cell, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why they've earned this nickname. These tiny structures play a crucial role in keeping every cell in your body alive and functioning properly. Let's start with the basics. Mitochondria are membrane-bound organelles found in nearly all eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells are the complex cells that make up animals, plants, fungi, and protists. These organelles serve as the primary site of energy production in the cell. Without mitochondria, most complex life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Mitochondria have a unique double membrane structure that's essential to their function. The outer membrane is smooth and acts as a boundary that encloses the entire organelle. The inner membrane is highly folded into structures called cristae, which dramatically increase the surface area available for chemical reactions. Between these two membranes is the intermembrane space, and inside the inner membrane is a gel-like substance called the matrix, which contains enzymes and the mitochondrion's own DNA. The primary function of mitochondria is cellular respiration. This is the process by which cells convert chemical energy from glucose and other nutrients into ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the universal energy currency of the cell. Think of ATP as rechargeable batteries that power all cellular activities, from muscle contraction to protein synthesis to cell division. Cellular respiration occurs in three main stages. First is glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm and breaks glucose into pyruvate molecules. Second is the Krebs cycle, also called the citric acid cycle, which occurs in the mitochondrial matrix and produces electron carriers. Third is the electron transport chain, which takes place on the inner membrane and generates the majority of ATP. Each stage is essential to the complete breakdown of glucose and maximum energy production. Here's the chemical equation for cellular respiration. One molecule of glucose, which has the formula C6H12O6, combines with 6 molecules of oxygen to produce 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water, and energy. This process can produce up to 36 to 38 ATP molecules from a single glucose molecule. That's an incredible amount of usable energy from one sugar molecule. Mitochondria have several unique characteristics that set them apart from other organelles. They contain their own DNA, separate from the DNA in the cell's nucleus. This DNA is circular, similar to bacterial DNA. Mitochondria can replicate independently within the cell, dividing to create new mitochondria as needed. In most organisms, mitochondria are inherited only from the mother through the egg cell. Perhaps most fascinating, scientists believe mitochondria originated from ancient bacteria that were engulfed by early cells billions of years ago. The Endosymbiotic Theory explains the origin of mitochondria. According to this theory, mitochondria were once free-living prokaryotic bacteria that were engulfed by early eukaryotic cells. Instead of being digested, these bacteria formed a symbiotic relationship with their host cells. Over billions of years of evolution, they became the mitochondria we see today. Evidence for this theory includes their double membrane, their own DNA, and their ability to reproduce independently. Beyond energy production, mitochondria perform several other vital functions. They regulate programmed cell death, also called apoptosis, which is important for removing damaged or unnecessary cells. In brown adipose tissue, mitochondria generate heat to help maintain body temperature. They help maintain calcium homeostasis by storing and releasing calcium ions as needed. Mitochondria also produce molecules that are essential for cellular signaling and communication between cells. To summarize, mitochondria are essential organelles that convert nutrients into usable energy through cellular respiration. They enable all cellular processes and sustain life in eukaryotic organisms. From powering your muscles during exercise to supporting brain function and cell division, mitochondria are truly the powerhouses that keep every cell in your body running. Understanding mitochondria is fundamental to understanding how life works at the cellular level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.